You've recorded a YouTube video. You need to make a title, tags, description. Ah, you don't want to, and that's cool because now we can do that using AI, in this case, Gemini AI. So that's what I'm going to talk about in this video, how I use Gemini to create this title, create the description, and create tags for a video. So the way we do this is we take the video, we drag it into Gemini. You can't do this with ChatGPT because it's not eating the video files. But in Gemini, we can simply drag the video inside, look something like this, and then we can ask it questions. So here at the second part, I want you to help to help with a description, title, tags for the video in Danish and in English because I have two versions of the video. So that is basically the prompt. If you don't want it in Danish, you can remove the Danish part. If you want it in Spanish, you can do it in Spanish. Then what Gemini does is that then it creates a title for the video. So it has two options, like a search focused and a click focused. And we can always make a secondary prompt, say like, can you bring more options? So maybe you want 5 different title options. You can ask it to make that if you want that. And then because I asked for Danish version, I get a Danish version. With the description, I get a description based on the video. So I didn't prompt anything, it just fed it the video. And then it's pretty cool that it makes timestamps for the video too and some hashtags. I get the Danish version too. With the tags, I get some tags for the video. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're not that good. So we can give it a little bit feedback with a prompt, and then it gives the tags in Danish. In the thumbnail, it actually gives you like a thumbnail tip, and then you can actually make Google Gemini make the thumbnail. But I'm not going to talk about that in this video. Subscribe to the channel if you found this interesting. Give the video a like. If you think it sucks, give the video a dislike. I'm Palle. I have a playlist for more Gemini videos up here if you want to watch that. And I have a playlist for DaVinci Resolve tips up here. Else, that was all for me. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.